We fall, we rise, we fall, but we will rise again. I said we will rise again.
This blood clot gather. No stop take my man. And she have her husband. Hurry. She blood clot in there now. I'm sure some husband in there because him can't park up out the door. If she feel like say me I left from out here. Me I sit down right out of so and wait for her. I want to run to the car me that. No man. Who is it? Who that a bang on my door? You can't have your husband and still want to sleep with my husband. You ever hear nothing like this? No man. What's my gonna keep? Jesus Christ. Now I want to come my husband. Whew. Open the door, my girl. I need to talk to you. I record a wife. There's a bang on my door. Me a beard, me a come. What's my gonna keep? Jesus Christ. Now I want to come my husband. Whew. If she feel me in a joke with her, she better open the door there. You can't have your husband and still want to sleep with my husband. You ever hear nothing like this? No man. Open the door. I want to run to the car me that. No man. Who is it? Who that a bang on my door? Me a beard, me a come. But show me put on my wig because not even take off my towel. What is going to come on me yard for? What you want to come on me yard for? I record a wife. Why is it you come on my yard? You know wait till you see your husband address him? First of all, I not even know say him married. What do you mean what me I do ya? Listen to me, I know my husband in the house and I go like him to come out to me. First of all, I not even know say him married. What do you mean if him there? Yes, him there. You don't see him vehicle? You want to talk to me? Open the door, my girl. I need to talk to you. What do you want to talk to me about? You want to talk to me woman to woman? What is it that you really want? Come here. So my girl, I'm gonna stop at my man. My girl, lock my door. What do you mean I lock my door? Lock my door, my girl. Lock your own door. I not like no girl door. When me come in the house and get talk, I want to hear why my husband there. Why you come on my house for? Why my husband there? Alright, since you want to talk when I talk. You don't plan for stop set, my man. You have an old husband and you still have a struggle with my husband. What is the problem with you? My girl, I tell you, some never did know same did married. So I know why you come on my house and I can't talk about no husband. You understand? I never know same married. I never know same have a wife. But you have a husband. What you mean? You don't make a talk to you know, just woman to woman. Out of respect. You understand? I'm going to talk to you and hear what you have to say. Ricardo. Your wife's downstairs. Your wife downstairs. How the fuck your wife knows which part I live? Oh, your wife knows which part I live. And you tell me, say I have no woman and I own it money out. I don't know why I talk back to you. What kind of sickness I call on for me? Your wife the down there. I'm stressed out right now. Suppose my husband goes see all this drama. You like the video? Where are we pan? Press like. Press the like button. I don't know where I wait pan. Press like. If you're new, subscribe. I really don't like this so like or nothing. Oh, your wife. Go down the tour, you know. Come now, go down the tour. You better go down the tour. Come now, go down the tour. I stay some man. Then if she wants to out her way to come here, so. No for your business that. You think me I get up to go down there to she? Make she stay out there. Listen to me, man. Make she stay out there. What do you mean about suppose your husband come catch me? Listen, man, I'm not afraid of your husband, you know. I'm not afraid of your husband. You understand? What am I do about it? What am I going to do if him come see me here? What am I going to do? You think I left my strap this time? I not left my strap this time. You understand? And you have to deal with your husband. First of all, you see what I go on downstairs? You can't leave me, you know. Because you mash up my life. You mash up my life. Although I never tell you that I have nobody. You must know that I have somebody. You want me so much and I not tell you if you left your husband and them stuff there. I not tell you if you left your husband. And I go every night and thing. And I not answer my phone at night time. Why you take this for? Hey, my girl, hey. If you want to go down the tour, that's up to you. Now go down there to nobody. You see me? Yeah, make she stand out there. The husband want to come work out that. She can't take your husband and me take you. Take this thing for. They got to frighten the man and your sister man try to take a sleep. You're not frighten my man. Don't frighten me. So why you have to behave like that? It's like you don't care if me get so everything just gonna fall upon me. Because you married. Me I gonna end up lose my husband because your wife find my house there. And you gonna still have your wife. You hear all them things that we are talking tell me, say? I'm tired. Tired. You need for God to take your wife from me yard. Go on downstairs to your wife. No matter what, me not listen what they say now. Me I go down there if you go to her. Cause me I make sure myself me never know say you did married. But they come on a different energy, you know. They come on a real big different energy. Basically just by the way how you accept me in your house, but it's gonna hear what you have to say. And you say never they come like this, but the way I'm calm. But listen to me, me's a woman. And I'm gonna listen what you have to say. I say as long as you don't disrespect me, I'm gonna listen and hear you out what you have to say. Because I'm a real girl. You see me? I really have to decide what we are gonna do to that whole day. Because it's some woman and you don't have the sense when you come to man, you know. When you make the man they brainwash you. You see me? So, when you Goodas. Yeah. Alright, Corey. So Corey, I'm gonna ask you something. Right? You feel good in yourself to have my husband in your room, in your house. I don't know which part. Me never did know say married. Me never know. Me never did know. That boy is a wicked. At the house. You feel good in yourself? I didn't know that he was married. You never know say married? Jesus Christ. We've been married for 10 years. By 10 years. 10 years? 10 years. And you didn't know that we was married? But the next thing is, you are married. What is it that you want with a married man when you're already married? To me and I say, but me married. What me married not have nothing to do with me and your husband. You understand? You like the video yet? Where are we pan? Press like. Press the like button. I don't know where we pan. Press like. If you're new, subscribe. When you're already married, what can you get from a married man? But then again, you said you didn't know that he was married. So here we go up. Me, I go act like say me leave. Just drop asleep, right? Yeah. But you comfort him and lie to him. And tell him so we never kill him now, we just have to teach him a lesson. Because we go down with him after this. Tell him so your husband now come in tonight. He have to go somewhere. So he now come in. Or your husband come in here. Just find some tell him. Then you have to tie him up. Or tape him up. You understand? If you don't have no tape, you go buy the tape and rest it on your door. That's one of the plan. But like you, so woman like you, Mariette. Real woman like you. Okay, you have sense. You're not stupid. But if you like you want to take away your phone, we're going to show him say, him not to take off your phone. You understand? So me, I'm going to go back upstairs. I'm going to tell him say you leave. You understand? I'm going to tell him say you leave. Ricardo, she leave. But we plan to do about this because like how she know she live where me live. And my husband just call and say either I'm going to come in late or I'm not coming in and I talk tonight because I have some stuff to deal with. So you can spend the night. But you want to leave early. More leave early, can say if by 12 o'clock you not come home, that means you not come home. So if 12 o'clock come and you don't come home, you have to leave early in the morning, right? The girl for go on. I don't know what she's coming for. But while I'm there, you just give me a good news. When I say the husband now come home, say, no, I'm not leave, you know. You know I'm not leave. You understand? Yeah, I'm not leave. But I'm not going to spend the whole night though. I'm going to leave by 11 o'clock tonight. You see me? I'm not spend the night. Because I don't know where your husband up to. And my wife pop up here. Something not sound right. You see me? Yeah. So, I'm going to leave by 11 o'clock. You see me? So I can get more time with you. So, I want to say a big thanks to each and every one of you guys who've been watching The Burna Man. We can't just have the movie dry. It have to have some action in there. So guys, I want to stay tuned for part 4. What do you think of what happens in a part 4? I want to stay tuned for part 4. You see me? So thanks to each and every one of you guys who've been supporting Life with Goodas, who supported me from the start, who stopped support, still big up on yourself, and who is still here with me, big up on yourself, and big up to everybody. Bye guys, I'm out.